But then she came along just out walking her dog, and I loved her before I even met her. I guess sometimes intentions can change, sometimes not for the better. Well, the dog didn't like me, I guess he knew where I was heading. He bit my hand when he carried the rings at our wedding. Mariachis played and we sang and we swayed, but they're right when they say love is blind. 'Cause in a month she was gone and she only left one thing behind. Now I got a Mexican dog, I can't say his name, he don't come when I call. When he's not biting me, he's licking his balls, and I hate him right down to his fur. But all I got left of her is this Mexican dog. So I thought it might help if I bought him a toy at the store. He was so grateful he left something for me on my floor. I kicked him out every night, but by the dawn's early light he was back sporting some brand new smell. I'd take him back where he came from, but I don't have directions to hell. Now I got a Mexican dog, I can't say his name, he don't come when I call. When he's not biting me, he's licking his balls, and I hate him right down to his fur. But all I got left of her is this Mexican dog. I got a new girlfriend who couldn't stop telling me what to do. To top it all off, she said she thought that little bastard was cute. I said, hold